everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Angie from the Wee Larder blog here. I'm going to be making a delicious bone broth today. Now I actually use this bone broth for soups and stews, cup of soups and noodle pots, drinking it straight. There's so many delicious ways to use this broth, so I thought I would share this recipe as a YouTube video so that I can go on to share many recipes on my blog on how to use this bone broth. So as I say, I'm actually using beef bones today, and I have a huge beef knuckle bone that I'm going to be using. I've used other bones such as chicken bones in the past, and you can use fish bones or even lamb bones. Some people actually roast it before putting it into the slow cooker. Now I am actually roasting mine. I'm just popping it into the tray here to get it out of the packaging, and I'm just going to pop it whole into the slow cooker. Now I've got quite a small slow cooker, so if you've got a bigger one, feel free to just fill it up with water, or there's no exact amount. I'm putting in half a cup of apple cider vinegar, and I'm just putting in some carrots and onions here as well. You can use vegetable peelings, the tops of onions, ends of carrots, bits of garlic stalks, leek. You can just put in whatever you like. And I'm filling the slow cooker right up with water. Now I'm just going to put it on low for 6 hours. And then I'm actually going to put it on high to make it for a total of 24 hours. So after 24 hours cooking overnight, any meat that was on the bone is literally just falling off. Now I have some real gross looking grizzly bits here. So what I'm going to do is just strain my broth through the sieve just to catch any debris, any of the vegetable peelings and things that I used, and I'm then just going to put that, so I'm just going to remove my sieve here, and I'm then just going to put that straight into my glass jar. And I'm actually going to be storing my beef stock in the fridge. And once you cool your stock down, you will find that a layer of fat will form on the top of your stock. Now that's great for storage because it actually seals your broth, sorry I was calling it stock, it seals your broth rather, and it kind of makes your broth last longer in the fridge. Now I don't actually personally use the fat, some people do. What I do is I actually remove the fat layer. So thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. As I say, I'm going to be posting lots of recipes on how to use this delicious, nutritious bone broth on my website. So keep your eyes peeled for those. If you've not been over before, it's angiemilne.com. I'm also on Instagram as well, and the Wee Larder on Instagram. And I'm on Facebook, and it's Natural Living on Facebook. I am trying to get that changed. So if you're on any of those social media platforms, please pop over and say hello. And I'd love to see your bone broth as well. If you do make it, tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your bone broth experiments and what you're doing with it. So yeah, drop me a tag and I will share on my stories. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, then click on subscribe and the little bell next to it to notify you when my next videos are out. So take care guys, bye!